Why does using Badbank.ai save you time? Watch as I upload credit card PDFs into Badbank and then slash categorization and reconciliation time in QuickBooks and expedite any spreadsheet accounting process. You can also try all this yourself for free. When I export results, I have lots of files, including CSV, QBO, and OFX files. When I go to QuickBooks, I upload the QBO file from the Badbank output folder. The data is now cleaner and payees are consistent, and transactions are reconciled already. So the rules in QuickBooks work much, much better as every vendor with a rule is auto-assigned. Only new vendors need to be categorized or a new rule created. And reconciliation takes only seconds because the transactions were reconciled before I imported them. And if you do your accounting in spreadsheets, the Badbank CSV files with clear, consistent vendors and transactions combined enable you to create reports much faster. With trusted partners like Stripe and Clerk and the DigiCert validation as a secure site, you can have full confidence that your information is safe and secure. Do yourself a favor, take a few minutes and try it for yourself for free.